Hello and welcome back to Csylnaturalsdiy DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this homemade body butter scrub bars. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And for those who have been following me and subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. If you like body scrubs, then you would definitely love this body butter scrub bar recipe. Those homemade body butter scrub bars are perfect for gentle exfoliation without having to deal with messy scrubs or bathtub. Those homemade body butter scrub bars has the benefit of a body butter. With this particular recipe, you don't need a moisturizer, because this homemade body butter scrub bars will do the job perfectly well. In a clean container, I'm adding my cocoa butter. Cocoa butter delays aging, heals damaged skin, prevents stretch marks, also moisturizes the skin. The next is olive oil. Olive oil is a natural sunblock. As a moisturizer, olive oil hydrates the skin and forms a protective barrier on the skin. The next is beeswax. Beeswax has an anti-inflammatory properties and help heal the wounds on the skin. Beeswax also helps to form a barrier between the skin and the environment without clogging pores. And after adding all these ingredients together, I'm going to boil hot water and pour in a bigger bowl. Then after pouring it, I'm going to sift my ingredients together, my beeswax and cocoa butter, in this hot water. Allow it to sit for about 30 minutes so that my oils will dissolve. And at this point, after dissolving, I'm going to bring it out and allow it sit in room temperature. You can also put it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours to allow the mixture thicken up. Then after which, I'm going to add in my brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you don't have brown sugar. And the next I'm using for this is turmeric powder. It will help lighten the skin. You can choose whatever powder you want. And here is my turmeric powder. The next is my vitamin E oil and my rose flower, my rose petals. So at this point, after my mixture has thickened up, at this point I'll start adding my exfoliators. That's my brown sugar and others. So I'm going to pour it in a separate bowl. Then after pouring it, then I'll start adding every other thing together. So here I'm pouring it in a different bowl. Then the next I'm adding is my brown sugar. After adding my brown sugar, I'll add my turmeric powder and my vitamin E oil as an antioxidant in this body butter scrub. Then the next is my rose petals. So after adding everything together, I'll make sure I mix and combine it together. The next, I'm using my silicone mold. Then after mixing everything together, I'll pour it in my silicone mold and allow it to sit for 6 hours. And after 6 hours, or you can decide to put it in the fridge, but I allowed it to stay in under room temperature for 6 hours. The second recipe of those body butter scrub bars, I'm going to add in my essential oil, which is peppermint oil. That's what I'm using for this. After adding my peppermint oil, 3 drops of peppermint oil, I'm going to add my exfoliators, which is my oatmeal powder and my bentonite clay. So after adding it, I'm going to mix it together. Just the same thing I did in the previous one. Make sure you incorporate everything together. Then the next thing I'm pouring it into my silicone soap mold. Then after pouring it in, allow it to sit for 6 hours. Then I'll mold it. And here is the final result and look for the both recipes. So it's your choice at this point, the one you want and the exfoliators you want to add to your body butter scrub bars. So guys, This homemade body butter scrub bars are very good. You can try this. Please use the comment section. I would love to read your comment. Try this body butter scrub bars for softer and glowing skin. This body butter scrub bars makes exfoliating super easy. It is best for removing dead cells, excess oil, dirt on the skin, and also provide you with a healthy glowing skin. So to use this homemade body butter scrub bar, you wet your body with water and gently exfoliate your skin with this homemade body butter scrub bar. You can also reduce the amount of exfoliator so that it will be gentle on your skin. And below this video, I'm going to drop the link to the ingredients I used for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.